Hi, to enable and disable bedtime mode on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we just need to go in the settings first and then select this mode and routines tab. And now the first thing we can see is sleep mode, which is basically the bedtime mode. So simply select it, and we can also enable it right now just by tapping on this turn on, and we can tap here to turn it off, or we can set a schedule for this mode. So go in this turn on manually and select duration. You can select until I turn it off as every time or 8 hours, and here you can also just increase or decrease the amount of hours. Now to save the changes, go back, and here you can also set your sleep schedule. For that, drag this slider just like that to just find the right amount of time. Here you can select days, for example, like that. You can set an alarm, choose its sound, set vibration, snooze, and select background for the alarm. And don't forget to save the changes. Here you can also add a condition, for example, Wi-Fi on or off, then tap the done button and save this schedule like that. In the other action, you can enable to just turn on the grayscale mode during the bedtime mode enabled. And if you do this, then it will look like that, so the screen will be just black and white. Let's disable it, save the changes, and now we can also change its appearance. So you can customize the lock screen for this enabled mode. Choose any option from the list, and after that you can customize the home screen for this mode. And now let's test the changes. I'm gonna turn it on, and now we can see the new wallpaper on the screen. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.